What's up, YouTubers? It's been a while since I picked anything up, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing for y'all. Unbagging, whatever you guys want to call it. This one's from Revolver Menswear in Missoula, Montana. I was originally looking for the Elephant 11S in True Guy because they're sold out on Tete and Yoko. Kind of wanted that fit since the Elephant 12 True Guy isn't available yet. Figured maybe I can catch it on sale somewhere. No such luck. But instead, I found these little babies. A little thank you note. John, Christine, and the Revolver team. Wow, that's cool. I found the Elephant 11S and the Weird Guy. Now, normally these retail for $229, and I managed to snag these on sale. Then found a discount coupon code for 20% off, so they came out to $128 and some change. These are heavy. Ooh, man, these are sick. So for $128 and change, I couldn't pass them up. I haven't bought any denim within the past, like a little over a year. It was like a year and like some days. So I figured these are too cheap to pass up. I can't let these go for that price. $128 and change. And normally they retail $229. This is ridiculous. Just the deal that I got on these. And big shout out to Bezad, because his blog post helped me find these. Even though I was looking for the True Guys and the 11S, I found this place that was that had the Weird Guys in stock on sale, plus a discount code. So big thank you to Bezad. I cannot wait to start wearing these come fall. Still kind of warm out right now in Indiana, so I won't be wearing these just yet. But I will most likely be alternating between my Elephant XS and these bad boys. Ooh, man, these are sick. Yeah, yeah. Insane deal. Insane deal.